I want to pick that guy up.
I'll just let you guys kill everything.
Do these things even hurt you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whoops.
See, if we had one more person, this would be going so much faster. Like, you'd be getting a lot more bolts.
Where am I putting this guy?
You just lost him.
It disappeared.
Yeah.
Heh.
In the door, Chris, in the door. Okay, James, you can stop that now.
What?
Force field, game's glitched. Right, James. Perfect chance to use your shield.
My shield?
Yep. Turn your shield on.
Should I use my Zircon as well?
No, just a shield. Yeah, just run down, kill that guy.
Dun dun dun! Come at me, bro. Whoopsie daisy. I died.
Yeah.
Get off my butt. I brought my Zircon thing out by accident.
Yeah, that's okay. You almost fell off, Dan. Okay, I saw that. It was that bot you just killed. For some reason, he got you while he was like falling.
No.
I was contemplating stealing them then.
God damn it. I keep wasting my shields. Oh, what the?
Sorry.
Why'd you do that?
You're supposed to go over.
What?
Yeah. Here.
Yeah,
No,
you shot me
yeah.
down. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
you'll have to aim it. What the fuck? It got me as well.
Shit, no, get rid of him.
Oh, what?
James, if he like completely dies, we get a game over as well.
I want to kill him now.
No, but Chris, when you try and launch someone over the platform, you have to launch them. Like you have to mark it.
A tank minion.
Ah, fuck peace. I love the music as soon as you go into the rhino. Okay, I suppose I'll use my con blaster with yous. Come on, James. Who's getting these bolts? Oh, Chris. I was actually wondering if I was still in the cold then, because it went dead quiet.
Dun 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 dun.
No, I'm just crying in silence.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, we all faced the wrong way.
Game hates me.
Ah, don't worry. Just think of Fetus drop zone.
Whoa.
We're so clueless right now. It's a Transformer.
Yeah, it's the fall.
Optimus Prime.
It's actually the same voice, isn't it?
Hmm.
You know, I only realised that when you said Transformers. I was like, wait, yeah, like, what the fuck? I'm amazed I did not notice that the first time. Right, remember the taxi that we had to lean on?
Yeah.
We're about to do the same thing.
Ooh.
Not too far though, we'll fall.
Really?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, into a meat grinder.
Go on,
What
Chris.
happened to the gravity boots?
They only work on certain services. Oh, what? No! Jump over, jump over! Oh god, don't die.
Great, it's all down to me.
No.
Oh no, here he is.
The master is back. Plenty of bolts for yous.
Woohoo! And ammo.
Bolts.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I got the monsters.
Oh what? I got a monster in my thing.
Oh, and Chris.
I'm taking him with me.
Why? You got bolts if you kill him.
I don't care. He's coming with me.
Oh, okay. Right, this way.
Scheiße.
Chris, don't die, Chris, don't die. Okay, I'm back. We're all good. No!
You're coming with me.
Can you press triangle whilst you're holding him? Oh.
No. God damn it.
I was slightly worried there.
Well, I'm back. No. Yes.
Right, this is a part we're going to need teamwork on. I was
Oh,
playing online the other day with 4 people, and my god, I ended up PSNing the host to kick the 2 randoms. We all have to move to the same fans at the same time.
Okay. It's easy enough.
Right, left.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah, it's easy enough for us because we've got communication on Skype and that.
No, I can see lights. That tells me what I need to know.
Okay, we just did that. Look at that. Skill point, 100% pure adrenaline. But no, like when we were doing it online, well, when I was doing it online with 3 other randoms, they were so stupid. By the way, there's some boxes back here. Chris?
Yeah?
Boxes back here. But yeah, like... Oh, I did not know there was a double points there. No, sister. James, boxes.
Everything.
Right.
Main.
Sprint away. Oh, there was another one? Oh no, it was a bolt. Actually, I don't have that one. Nah, it's over. Chris, come up here if you can. See how high we can go up.
Picked up Philip.
Well, I never actually explored back here, you know, so I did not know about that double point. Yeah, we're at the
Oh, good to get it.
end of the level now. Basically.
You are?
Right, James, put your shield on.
There we go.
What the fuck
Run through
happened?
and kill them. Run through and kill them.
I'm trying to... guys, move!
Ow. Just
Yeah.
one hit?
Yeah, from those guys he says.
Guys!
Yeah,
Oh my god!
I got them, no worry.
Don't point at me using my shoulders to do it!
Yeah, you just had to basically get rid of 2 of them.
It's gonna chop me up.
No. This way. Ugh.
Da-da-da. Oh, do we need to... Oh.
Yeah. Well,
Ow,
one person
stop.
does. Shield, James.
Oh,
Put your
shit,
shield
wrong
on,
guy.
just run through. Right, yeah. Like, no, this
What
way,
the-
this way. Oh, I'm dead. Chris, get me, Chris, get me.
Don't worry, I got your backs.
Shit.
Okay, Chris died as well. James, hurry up. Kill him. Right, get back and revive us, quick time.
I'm working on it. Got your back.
Oh, are we gonna get
Melee
him?
legend.
I got him. With 1 second to go. Melee legend is 50 consecutive kills with the wrench. Or 150 total kills.
Almost got the 151.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Hey!
Oh my god!
Stop jumping!
I
That's
need
okay,
to
we did
jump
it,
to
we
get
did it.
over there.
Come on, James.
Oh my... I can't even be allowed to do this thing.
Yeah, ICBA spinning eyes lighting a fag. Yeah, we're at the boss now.
Ooh.
What the...
Chris jumped off the edge.
Apparently. I'm back, bitches.
Oh my god, die!
I'm just jumping like off the top of each of them. Like I'm jumping on top of one, then jumping off him.
Easy.
Right, do not pick up the ammo yet.
What ammo?
The ammo just here on the right. Do not pick it up just yet.
Hop in. Guys, I think Mr. Perkins wants to get in.
Yeah, hello Mr. Perkins.
Is he a
By the way,
crab?
save your ammo, save your ammo. Don't shoot just yet, Chris.